At this point, you know the possible activities, the possible phases performed during the software development process. But there is something that we still haven't discussed, which is very important. And that is, how should we put these activities together to develop software? And this all comes down to the concept of software process model, also called software lifecycle model. And what this is a prescriptive model of what should happen from the very beginning to the very end of a software development process. The main function of a lifecycle model is to determine the order of the different activities so that we know which activities should come first and which ones should follow. Another important function of the lifecycle model is to determine the transition criteria between activities. So when we can go from one phase to the subsequent one. In other words, what the model should describe is what shall we do next and how long shall we continue to do it for each activity in the model. Now let's see a few traditional software process models. I will discuss them here at a high level and then revisit some of these models in the different mini courses.